I got bored, so I decided to make a little video about the boat that I got. I think I only posted it once on my TikTok so far. This will probably go on TikTok and YouTube just for the shits and giggles, because all this is just for shits and giggles. As far as the content, if it pops, it pops. If it don't, whatever. I'm just doing it for shits and giggles and documentation. But first of all, boat does fit in the garage. Fits all the other toys. So it means we got room for more toys eventually. Maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to buy a chunk of land. But it's a 77 Crosser 105 two-stroke motor. Runs okay. Not perfect. I think it's been getting better. I need to take out to the lake again, be sure. Last time I had it on the lake seemed like it had a misfire. Found spark plug wire had corrosion up in the distributor, so cut that, cleaned everything, put it all back together, and I had a tote full of water that I was able to test it for a little bit until the tote broke, and it seemed to be running better. Runs good on muffs, so obviously the the back pressure on the exhaust is the deciding factor, along with getting it on a lake to put it under proper load. But compression was all the same. From everything I'm reading, 95 is a little low on the spec, but it's also a Harbor Freight compression gauge that it's been sitting in my garage, so who knows how accurate it is. So should be good compression. Seems to be good compression. They're all the same. It's the same across all four cylinders. So yeah, 77 motor, 78 boat. It's been repainted at some point. It has all kinds of bumps and dings, and it's ugly. Seats need redone. You can see that plywood's wet under there. The casting seat that matches these two seats, the back is falling off. That one's fine. Probably needs cleaned out as well. It's kind of dirty down in here, but it's my first boat. It's working pretty alright so far. So I did go and replace the main fuse block with a modern fuse style. Redid that because the old one was really damn old, probably the original, of just that beige baseboard and those circular tube fuses. To replace that, it came with a Humminbird. Found out this Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, the Humminbird don't work for shit. I think the radar things on the back are fucked because it was just reading all kinds of weird depths. Then it came with a Garmin up here. It seems to be working pretty good. I had to fix the transducer wire because I accidentally cut it the first time I took this out because I wasn't paying attention, didn't see it. The lights work. All the pumps work. It does have speakers for radio and hookups for it in there. But the radio's gone. I don't know if I'm going to get a radio for this or just rock a big-ass speaker at some point, or just, I don't know, I don't need music. It also had these weird battery-powered strips on it for some stupid reason. They're dead, but probably rip those out too. Came with the trailer. Hubs and everything are good on the trailer. Got bearing buddies. Kind of cool. Came with a bunch of rod holders and everything. Got a low for $1,500, so we figured good enough deal for first boat. And I would grab it, fuck around with it, use it a couple times. I've caught more fish on the boat than I have offshore so far this summer, so it's working on being worth it. And I haven't had to really spend much on it to fix things. I mean, it's like $40 for that fuse block, new gas, normal shit. So I haven't really spent a bunch on fixing it either. So yeah, just wanted to do a little video of the boat that I got. If you see the original post of the boat, like I said, another fine shit box for the collection. That's like the only thing that's probably not a shit box besides my car, but it's a fucking 13 Volkswagen, so who cares? But alright, I just want to make a little video because I was bored. See ya.